Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you are all doing alright. Let's begin our next challenge. Level 14. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password for the next level, which we can obtain by submitting the password of the current level to port 30,000 on localhost. Remember, localhost stands for the server we are currently logged into, which will be the bandit.labs.overthewire.org server. Let's head over to the terminal. First, we want to have the password of the current level at hand. I store this locally. Now, we want to submit this password to localhost on port 30,000. We will use the nc command for this. nc is used to make a connection to a host and read or write data from or to that connection. Here they specify how the nc command is used with all the possible options. But we don't need any of these. We just need the destination and the port. So our command will be the following. We copy and paste our current password. We hit enter and we just obtain our password. To close the connection, we hit Ctrl+C. Now, there is a second way we can use to obtain the password for the next level, which is to make use of the echo command. Echo, in a simplified definition, prints anything you give to it. So in this case, it will just print our current password. Now this might seem simple, but we can leverage this together with the nc command to obtain our password in one go. The combination of these two commands will lead to the following. Echo will print our current password. The pipeline redirects standard output from the first command to standard input from the second command, and then nc will pass this input to localhost on port 30,000. We hit enter and we obtain our password. We want to log out by either typing logout, exit, or hitting Ctrl+D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 14, we type the reachal command. Now that everything is successfully synchronized, let's head over to the reachal website to verify. Congratulations on completing level 14. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.